Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Success in St. James, Montego Bay. And we're going to show you the construction that has started on the Moon.Place Hotel in Jamaica. Now this area might look familiar because this is where they're also building the Unico Hotel in Jamaica. That hotel should finish, I think they said late this year. And this hotel now, this is the land you're looking at. It's going to be 32 floors. This is the Moon.Place Montego Bay Grand. And they had a groundbreaking a few days ago and they have started construction. And it looks like they're moving very quickly. This is going to be a 32 floor hotel, massive development. It's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica, the tallest hotel in Jamaica, the tallest building in the English-speaking Caribbean, and it's going to be over 1,000 rooms. I think it's 1,350 rooms. In the background, those two buildings you're seeing, that's the Unico Hotel. So this is going to be, this area is actually a part of the Elegant Corridor where you have all the major hotels in Jamaica. So this is just going to add to it. And all the way in the background to the right, that's Iberostar. So this now that we're looking at straight ahead, this is the construction of the Moon.Place Hotel. I'm not sure who the contractor is, but we'll find out for the next video. But the groundbreaking was a few days ago, and look at how far they've reached in about a week. Well, maybe they started construction before the groundbreaking, but you can see they are moving very quickly. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this hotel. And this is actually the second Moon.Place hotel being built in Jamaica. The first is in Montego Bay, and that building is actually the tallest building in Montego Bay. Sorry, the first is in Ocho Rios, 700 rooms. And the building that the Moon.Place operates from is the tallest building in Ocho Rios. It's either 15 or 16 floors. And this one is going to be 32 floors and twice the number of rooms as the one in Ocho Rios. The construction of the new Moon.Place Hotel in Montego Bay represents one of the most ambitious tourism developments in Jamaica's history. Officially launched with a groundbreaking ceremony on August 11, 2025, the project is a bold statement by Palace Resorts, the operators of the popular Moon.Place Jamaica in Ocho Rios, to expand their footprint into the island's leading tourism hub. Located at Success Estate in Rose Hall, the development officially branded as Moon.Place the Grand Montego Bay will feature a striking 33-story tower set to become the tallest hotel in the Caribbean. Alongside the tower, the master plan includes multiple smaller towers and 8 ultra-luxurious over-water villas. In total, the project will add approximately 1,350 rooms to Montego Bay's hotel inventory, with 1,200 of those being high-end suites, each designed to meet international 5-star standards. The investment is estimated at US $700 million, making it one of the largest single injections of capital into Jamaica's tourism sector. Beyond its size, the resort will boast extensive amenities, including over 13 specialty restaurants, a water park, and what is expected to be the largest spa in Jamaica. These facilities will position it not as a place to stay, but as a destination resort capable of attracting affluent travelers from North America, Europe, and beyond. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So I made a mistake when I said 32 floors. It's actually 33 floors and 1,350 rooms. So we will keep you guys updated on this development and all the developments along this strip. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.